Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12, and today I'll show you how you can check the number of apps opened each day. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next find digital well-being. And here we have to go for the app timers. So right now here you can find all apps that you have on the smartphone, and for example let's check how many times we opened the camera. As you can see, it was opened last time 29 minutes. So when you scroll down you can find that the camera was opened 42 times. So today it was 33 times and yesterday was 9 times. It was between the 9 and 10 a.m. it was 9 times, and between the 10 and 11 a.m. was 33 times, and yesterday was 0 times. And here we can check every day, as you can see, and of course it works for every app that you have. So all you have to do is just to simply scroll down, and also we can change daily for the weekly. So here we can check how many times it happened in the other days and the weeks, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.